fucking try this one more time. It's your boy back at you, doing a quick little YouTube video. More LS tricks. Mine specifically, I'm working on my LS3 14 Camaro. Rocker upgrades, trunnion upgrades. Some people use the comp cams, upgraded sealed bearings. I use the CHE. Texas Speed makes a good kit. These guys make a good kit. Actually, it might even be the same fucking kit, different name, I'm not sure, but I know this is a quality kit backed up, so this is what I buy. I don't buy that eBay bullshit. So sorry, there's too much going on in my motor to fucking risk it. So I already pressed all the other rockers out. I left one more. I left the last one for a video real quick. So there's videos of people beating them out with a hammer, fucking, you know, it's just not me. Most people are upgrading because they're going to a higher lift cam. I'm going with 660 lift. You know, it's a little bit more movement, a lot more stress on your rockers. I'm not beating them out. You know, I'm not taking a risk of fucking stressing any part of it, any little bit than I already have to press, you know, old ones out, new ones in. So I'm using old school hydraulic lift press, nothing fucking fancy. Again, you can use whatever you want. This is a 13/16 socket, works good for me. Your rocker, most LS rockers have one side, they have the extra little wings on this side, not on this side. You're going to take the wing side down on the socket. I line it up so you can just barely see the edge of the socket along the outside of this lip. So you want the bottom of the rocker towards you, in my case. 8mm socket. Again, you can use whatever you want. Shit, we gotta go check there a bit. Up, boom. Get this in here. I put it right on the center. So just get a good look. Right on the actual pushing the middle and go right on the outside. That's a pain in the ass of one here. Right on there, center on your socket, center underneath your press. Boom. Pump, 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 pump. Boom. Done. Pull your socket out, pull your rocker out. You'll have that one little piece in there. Shake it out in the fucking trash. Boom, it's empty. One press, one and done. Take the excess bullshit like that. Look at this. Boom. Everything right in the trash. You're done. Normally I do it two hands. I don't have anything left, any bearings left on the press there, but it's normally dump, done. Boom. 1, 2, 3, done. I pressed all 16 fucking, I don't know, 6 minutes, 7 minutes tops. Maybe I'll do a video on the last one when I press the new ones in. Real simple, especially when you're using a press, not a fucking vise with sockets, all that bullshit. It's just, not saying it doesn't work, but ain't for me, man. I try to do it. I like to cut corners where I can, where it's safe, but I don't cut corners with this shit, so I still use a press. It's an old press, but it works. Maybe I'll post a video on that next. Thanks.